Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by Learnity. And as usual, we are going to be going through the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index, you can clearly see that you are still in a downtrend. Now, why do I say this? Because as you can see, we are still making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Now, what am I looking to? That is, what am I looking forward to see from the dollar index? I want to see the dollar index continue this downtrend because, like I said, I do not call tops or bottoms. I just follow the trend. And as you can see clearly here, we are still in a downtrend. So I'm looking forward to see more price action to the downside. So what I'll be looking forward to is this. If you look into this price action here, you can see that we clearly have an order block here. Let me mark that out with our with these two here. So marking this out, you can see we have our order block right here. You can also extend it to this level. Then if you look closely, you can see that we have fair value gap here also. So let's mark that out. Let's get our two once more. Let's mark the fair value gap out here. So from here to here, we have a fair value gap, right? So what I'll be looking forward to is for price to return to any of these points of interest, either the order block or the fair value gap, which we have right here. So this fair value gap or this order block. So what I want to see happen is this. So we want price to retrace to either this level or this level before moving down. Now, if you are going to go, that is, if you are going for lower prices, where will be our targets? Our first target will probably be this old low right here. Let me get my tool. So we have this low to be taken out. Now, with that in mind, if you transition to the Euro USD price chart over here, you are going to see the opposite of what we just analyzed on the dollar index. Now, looking at the Euro USD price chart, you can clearly see that we are bullish also. So when we have a bearish dollar index, we are going to have a bullish Euro USD. Now, what am I looking forward to here is the same thing I will be looking forward to on the dollar index, just the opposites. Now, if you look clearly here, you can see that we have another block. So this will be our order block. This is our order block. And if you also look into this price action here, this price action, you can see that we should have a fair value gap there. So we have this fair value gap right here. Let me mark that out for you guys to see. It's kind of small, but it's there. So we have this fair value gap. Extend it a little bit to the right. So what will I be looking forward to? Now, what I want to see happen is this. I want to see price retrace also to any of this point of interest. So let me get my tool. I want to see price retrace to either this level or this level before pushing upwards. So if that is going to happen, where would be our targets? Our target for this trade is going to be this old high right here. This one here. So this will be our first target because this is the first old high on site. So this is going to be the target for the trade. So we might see, let's go down to the 4-hour charts to get more information. So what we might actually see the opening of the week is something like this. As you can see, we are already bearish on the 4-hour, right? So you can actually trade this to, that is, you can take this bearish moves to either of this point of interest. So you can take sell trades to this point of interest, but bear in mind that we are still overall bullish on the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. So if you are trading this this downtrend on the 4-hour or on the 1 hour, bear in mind that you are overall bullish. So when it gets to any of this point of interest, you should be taking your profits and see if it's going to what, that is see if it's going to fall back in line with the daily trend. So what I'm trying to say is this: when we have this movement, so we might have this movement, you might take advantage of this sell movement to any of this point of interest, either this one. So once you get here, you should take off your trades, that is, take your profits, because we might actually have a break of market structure once the market reaches this level on the 4-hour. So we might have something like this happen, and we start pushing up, right? But if that does not happen, we might see a deeper retracement to, let's say, this level. So we might continue from here and keep on going down till we get to this level here. Then once you get to this level, you should also take your profits and see if you're going to have a continuation to take out this this old high right here. So guys, that'll be all for this video. Remember to always practice good use management on your accounts. I will see you all in the next video.